Hi Kelly, it's Mom. I'm so happy for you today, babe, for your bridal shower and as you're surrounded by all your friends and family that love you. It's an exciting day. I want you to enjoy it and just bask in the moment. And the upcoming wedding in a couple of months is going to be exciting. So congratulations, Kelly. I look forward to welcoming Andy into the family. And no matter what happens and how old you get, you're still my little girl. I love you, Mom. Bye.
Hi, sweetheart. Can't believe you're going to get married pretty soon. Remember when I was holding you as a little bitty baby. I love you so much, sweetheart, and have a good time at your bridal shower. And Daddy will always love you. You'll always be my little girl.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000
Hold your breath, it
things to
gets
see.
better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a
With new
surprise.
horizons
Every
to
moment red
pursue.
letter.
I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world. That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
Thrilling chase.
A wondrous place for you and me.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Can this be true? Tell me, can this be real? How can I put into words what I feel? My life was complete. I thought I was whole. Why do I feel like I'm losing control? I never thought that love could feel like this. And you changed my world with just one kiss. it's a miracle. Your love is like a river, peaceful and deep. Your soul is like a secret that I never could keep. When I look into your eyes, I know that it's true. God must have spent a little more time on you. A little more time. Yes, he did.
Hey baby, you got to remember, I'm forever your girl. Baby, forever and ever and ever. You know I am. Baby, pick your head up. Come on, look me in the face. 'Cause I can tell that something is bringing you down. Why are you down? Is it the rumor that another boy wants to take your place? He's after your heart. Have you been hearing the stories that going around?
All of my friends are talking.
Baby, just remember I gave you my heart. Ain't no one gonna tear us apart. You can promise the moon and the stars above, even if he promised me the world. Just remember I'm forever your girl. He could promise the world. Just remember I'm forever your girl. Honey, listen to me. Your love is all I need. You should know that I don't need nothing that money can buy. It's no lie. So if a boy were to come along, try to make me leave you,
Girl, I'm out of my mind.
baby, no need to worry. I'm telling you why.
I need to hear that you really love me.
Baby, don't you know that I love you? And I never put nobody above you. Promise the moon, the stars above, even if he promised me the world. Just remember I'm forever.
Hi Kelly, I just wanted to congratulate you on your engagement, and I wish you and Andy a very happy, healthy, prosperous life together. I hope you're enjoying your bridal shower today. Again, congratulations, and I hope you have a wonderful day today.
Hi Kelly, I would like to congratulate you on your upcoming wedding. I am so happy and honored to take part in it. Thank you, love you.
Hi Kelly, congratulations on your upcoming wedding. I am so excited to be a part of your special day and want to wish you and Andy a lifetime of love and happiness. Love you both.
We just wanted to say congratulations. You're going to be married in just a little while. We're so happy for you and we love you. So we just wanted to say congratulations. Congratulations, Kelly.
Congratulations, Kelly and Andy.
Congratulations, Kelly and Andy.
Love you both. Come on down for a drink and we will celebrate. Yeah, have fun. Uncle Larry in the house, baby. What's up?
Hey, congratulations, Andy and Kel. Wish you the best of luck. So proud of you, Kel, and wish the best.
Yes, congratulations. Totally wish you the best of luck to both of you guys.
Alright, let's
Yay.
take this. Peace.
Congratulations! Congratulations, Kelly! Love you. You're getting married. Married. Married next day. Love you!
Hi, I love you, Jenny.
Hi, Kelly. I wish you and Andy the best of luck and congratulations on your wedding. And I hope you guys have a great future ahead of you guys. And welcome to the Gonzalez family.
Hi Kelly, congratulations. I'm very excited to have you as part of our family. You're 2 months away from your wedding. We love you. Enjoy your bridal shower.
Hola Kelly, quiero decirte que Estoy muy contenta de que vas a formar parte de nuestra familia, que les deseo lo mejor a ti y a Andy y que se quieran mucho, se respeten y tengan mucha comunicación. Felicidades.
Hi babe, hope you're having a fantastic time at your bridal shower. I just want to let you know that I love you with all my heart. I have had the most amazing 7 years of my life these past 7 years, and I look forward to our marriage and living the rest of my life with the most beautiful woman on earth.